In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment method from Lyft. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth experience. Deleting a payment method may seem simple, but it's crucial to manage your payment options effectively. This not only helps keep your account organized, but also ensures that your payment preferences align with your current needs. First, open the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app is open, you will see the home screen with options for requesting rides. The interface is user-friendly and you should have no trouble locating what you need. If you're new to the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This familiarity will make the process easier and faster. Next, tap your profile picture or the menu icon. This is usually located at the top left or right corner of the screen. Accessing your profile will lead you to various settings and options related to your account. By tapping on this icon, you can manage your account details, including payment methods, ride history, and more. This is an important step because it directs you to the area where you can manage how you pay for your rides. From there, select Payment. In this section, you will find all your saved payment methods. Here, you can see the cards or payment options you have linked to your account. It is important to review this section regularly to ensure that your preferred payment methods are up to date. This can save you time and prevent any issues when requesting rides in the future. Now, tap the card or payment method you want to remove. This action will open the details of the selected payment method. Look carefully at the information displayed to confirm you are about to delete the right card. This is crucial because you want to avoid removing the wrong payment option, which could lead to inconvenience later on. Next, tap Delete and confirm. Upon tapping Delete, you will be prompted to confirm your choice. Lyft requires that you have at least one other payment method set as the default before you can remove a card. This rule exists to ensure that you always have a backup payment option for convenience. If you do not have another payment method set up, you will need to add one before completing this step. A few important things to keep in mind. You cannot delete the payment method linked to your Lyft cash balance. If the card you want to remove is your only payment method, you must add another payment method first. This is essential to ensure that you can continue using the app without interruptions. Some users have reported that turning off backup payments in the payment settings can help if the delete button does not appear. This little tip can save you a lot of time if you encounter any issues. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your payment methods effectively and keep your account organized. In summary, deleting a payment method from Lyft is a simple process that requires attention to detail. Remember to ensure that you have another payment method set up before removing any existing options. With these steps, you'll have no trouble keeping your payment methods updated. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.